Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to create another look. I'm not sure where this look is going to go. So before I get started, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down here and also hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already did my eyebrows and I also concealed my lid. So now we are ready to start adding our eyeshadows. So I'm gonna grab a tape. If you have a tape like this or any tape that you have at home, I'm just going to grab this much and I'm going to tape it on my eyes. So just like this. So using my Jawbreaker palette, I'm going to grab the shade Tasty. You want to make sure that your tape is nicely secure. I'm going to start applying it right here. And then I'm slowly bringing it down and then upwards as well. I'm slowly bringing it inwards. And then grabbing a small blending brush, I'm going to grab Cone just to blend that shade out. And then I'm going to go back with Tasty one more time and just make that color come back. So just like this guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a concealer. This is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal. So grab any concealer brush and I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my crease. And then you want to go back to Tasty again and just make sure to sharpen that edge. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Delicious and I'm just gonna apply it right here. So I want to deepen this outer corner a little bit. So using the Morphe Times Jeffree Star palette, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a new brush and then I'm gonna grab Fast Lane and I'm just going to apply it right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and also do my wing eyeliner. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. Okay guys, so just like this, I think I am ready to remove the tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. And there it is. That is so pretty. So I never done like my shade like this, and I think it's so pretty because it looks so sharp. So I'm gonna go off camera and do this side of the face, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I am back and I already went ahead and did my makeup base and also applied my lashes. So the lashes that I am wearing today is from Lorella, and this is the style Luna. So this is how it looks. It looks so pretty. So now we're gonna go ahead and do our under eyes, and for my under eyes I'm gonna go with Tasty. Just apply it right here. Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? And then I'm going to grab comb and just smudge out the edge. And then for my inner corner, I'm gonna go with Snack. Just apply it right here. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara. And that is it guys. This is how this makeup came out. So I'm gonna go off camera very quickly and remove these babies, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is how my makeup came out. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial, and I haven't done any look like this. So without any further ado, my loves, thank you so much for clicking this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.